Still managing your invoices manually? Slow approvals, duplicate entry, and disconnected systems can delay your entire AP process. Now there's a smarter way. With Norming AP automation integrated directly with Sage 300, your team can process invoices in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Submit invoices from anywhere. Step 2. Approve instantly with powerful automated workflows. And automatically generate invoices directly in your ERP system. No more manual, paper-based invoice processing. Eliminate printing, scanning, filing, and physically routing invoices for approval. With a centralized digital workflow, employees can submit, review, and approve invoices anytime, anywhere. Gain full visibility into invoice status, reduce administrative workload and human error, and keep all invoice documents securely stored and easily searchable in one place. No delays. Invoices are instantly routed to the right approvers through automated workflows, helping your team avoid approval bottlenecks, missed emails, and manual follow-ups. Real-time notifications and mobile approvals keep the process moving, accelerating invoice turnaround, and ensuring faster processing across your entire AP workflow. Just faster, smarter, and fully streamlined AP process. Easy access, powerful workflow, seamless ERP integration. Let's take a look at how it works with a live demo. Norming Resource Manager is a web-based application that allows users to submit financial and business documents, such as purchase requests, invoices, and time entries, for approval anytime, anywhere. The solution also includes a mobile app, enabling users to conveniently access, review, and approve documents directly from their mobile devices. In this video, we will look at how users can submit and approve AP invoices through the web portal. Users can log in to the web portal using their company email address or user ID. The application can manage the full purchase-to-pay process. You can learn more about the different workflow processes in other videos. To submit a new invoice for approval, click on AP Invoice Requisition. On the left panel, you can view invoices in different statuses, such as open, awaiting approval, rejected, approved, or posted, giving users full visibility and making it easier to track progress throughout the approval process. Without this status-based view, users would need to manually search or open each invoice individually to check its status, which can lead to inefficiency, missed approvals, delayed processing, and reduced visibility across the workflow. Click New for a new invoice. Based on the finance policy, you can define multiple invoice types and control which vendors and GL accounts users can access for each type. This helps enforce compliance, reduce posting errors, and prevent unauthorized transactions, making the invoice process more secure and audit-friendly. Select a vendor by typing part of their vendor name or vendor number, allowing you to quickly search and choose the correct vendor. You can choose to create an invoice, debit note, or credit note based on your transaction needs. The application includes duplicate invoice number validation. If you enter an invoice number that already exists in Sage 300, an error message will be displayed immediately to prevent duplicate posting. You can assign default distribution codes or department codes for invoice details, and leverage Sage 300 optional fields to support multi-dimensional analysis and reporting. Invoice details can be preset by vendor, allowing information to be automatically populated once the vendor is selected. This helps standardize invoice coding and reduce processing time. For example, utility invoices from the same supplier can automatically default to the correct expense account and department code each month. The copy function allows you to quickly add invoice details without entering data from scratch. When processing recurring invoices with similar line items, users can simply copy an existing entry and make minor adjustments instead of rekeying all the information again. If you change the department code, the corresponding GL account segment for the department can be automatically overridden with the matching segment code. This helps ensure accurate account coding and reduce manual entry errors. Once you enter the invoice amount, tax can be automatically calculated based on the tax rates configured in Sage 300 tax services. Sage 300 optional fields are also available at the detail level, allowing users to add additional references or comments. Payment terms and invoice totals will also be automatically populated based on the vendor settings and invoice details. You can easily attach supporting documents such as vendor invoices, receipts, delivery orders, or approval documents directly to the requisition, and these documents can also be viewed by finance users in Sage 300. This provides instant access to all related information in one place, improving visibility, collaboration, and audit readiness, while eliminating the need to search through emails or folders during approval or review processes. After you finish entering the invoice, you can click Submit for approval. The system will display the approver's name and approval timestamp, providing a complete audit trail for full transparency and traceability. Workflow steps are fully configurable. In this example, invoice details are first approved by the department manager, and then reviewed by the GM if the invoice total exceeds a defined threshold. You can easily add, remove, or adjust approval steps to match your specific business requirements and internal controls. There are many other helpful features available. You can import invoices directly into the system, or use the copy invoice function to quickly duplicate an existing invoice into a new requisition, helping to speed up processing and reduce repetitive data entry. For instance, when processing multiple monthly invoices from the same vendor with similar line items, users can simply copy a previous invoice and update only the relevant details such as date or amounts, instead of entering everything again. It also integrates with Sage 300 PJC and supports job-related invoices, allowing costs to be accurately allocated to specific projects or jobs. When a vendor submits invoices for different phases of a project, each line item can be assigned to the relevant job code or cost center. This ensures clear project cost tracking, better budget control, and more accurate job profitability analysis. The application will send email notifications to keep users informed at every stage of the process. Once an invoice or requisition is submitted, approvers will automatically receive an email alert notifying them that an item is waiting for their review. This helps ensure timely approvals and reduces processing delays. In this demo, when a department manager is assigned as an approver, they will receive an email with the invoice details and a direct link to review and approve it. Similarly, reminders can be sent if an approval is pending for too long, helping to keep the workflow moving smoothly and efficiently. Approvers such as department managers can log into the web portal to review and approve requests. After logging in, they will see a red notification bubble displaying the number of pending items awaiting their approval in the to-do list. This provides clear visibility of outstanding tasks and helps approvers quickly identify and take action on pending invoices or requisitions. By clicking into the to-do list, approvers can view a summary of the invoice information at a glance. They can approve the request directly from the list or click into the invoice to review more detailed information, supporting documents, and approval history before taking action. The invoice contains 2 detail lines with different department codes, and each department manager can only view the invoice line related to their own department. The current user is the manager for Department A, so he or she can only see one of the 2 invoice lines. This helps maintain data confidentiality while ensuring approvers only review the transactions relevant to their area of responsibility. The application also supports budget checking to help organizations control spending before invoices are approved or posted. During invoice or requisition entry, it automatically validates the invoice amount against the available budget for the selected department, project, or GL account. If the budget is exceeded, the system can display a warning or error message or block the transaction based on company policy. This helps prevent overspending, improves financial control, and gives managers better visibility into budget utilization in real time. Attachments can also be reviewed directly from the browser without downloading the files, allowing users and approvers to quickly access supporting documents. Users can add comments during the approval process to provide additional context or instructions for the approver. This helps improve communication, clarify specific details related to the transaction, and support faster, more informed approval decisions. After the invoice has been approved, users can still review it later from the approved list. This allows easy reference to historical transactions, supports audit and compliance checks. The approval trail clearly tracks the overall invoice status across multiple approvers. Now, the first line of the invoice has already been approved by one department manager, while the second line is still pending approval from the manager of another department. The second department manager logs into the web portal and will also see the pending request in the to-do list. After clicking into the invoice, he or she will only see the invoice details related to their own department, along with the corresponding budget information. This ensures focused review, better budget control, and secure access to relevant data only. Once the approval is completed, there is no need for GM approval in this case. Based on the defined policy, GM approval is only required for invoices exceeding $1,000. Since the invoice amount is within the approval threshold, the workflow is automatically completed after departmental approvals. Once the requisition is fully approved, the invoice can be automatically generated in Sage 300. Under Resource Manager, you can find the invoice in the AP Invoice Requisition list. This eliminates the need for manual import, export, or synchronization, ensuring a seamless and efficient end-to-end process from approval to accounting entry. All invoice information, including vendor name, line item descriptions, GL account codes, amounts, taxes, and other relevant details, is automatically transferred into Sage 300. Users in Sage 300 can also view any documents attached to the invoice requisition, providing full visibility and ensuring all supporting information is centrally available for review, audit, and processing. You can choose to post requisitions either manually or automatically based on your workflow preference. Once posted, the invoice will be generated and available in the Sage 300 Accounts Payable Invoice Batch list. Users can also drill down from the invoice back to the original requisition to access full audit details. Thanks for watching the video. Norming Resource Manager provides an end-to-end solution that fully automates your AP invoice process. If you would like to further streamline data capture and reduce manual entry, Norming also provides advanced AI and OCR capabilities. Welcome to the Norming website to learn more about AP automation with OCR.